Introducing the mayonnaise for sushi rolls, Shirakiku Sushi Mayo. It blends well with any sauce like sriracha and great for a spicy tuna roll or California roll. It's so easy to mix with other sauces. It has high heat tolerance too, so you can use our mayo for dynamite with no issues. And it will not melt baked in the oven either. Its special blend prevents dripping, so there is no need to remix to keep the quality, making it very easy to handle. Also, it has 50% less fat for your health benefit. So easy to use, economic, and healthy for the customers. Shirakiku Sushi Mayo is the best mayonnaise for sushi restaurants focused on serving rolls. Why not give Shirakiku Sushi Mayo a try?